Hey guys, this is my tutorial on how to use Canva for teacher doors. First, you're going to make a Canva account by going to canva.com and signing up with Google, Facebook, or email. Next, you're going to brainstorm some ideas by searching online or on Pinterest. Your door should be based on the teacher's name, what they like, or what they teach. For my teacher, they like flip-flops, so I'm going to search for a door that has flip-flops on it. Alright, this is my reference that I'll be using. I saved it to my door board, but I'm also going to screenshot it so I can upload it to Canva to look back on it while designing. Next, we're going to select the announcement template. When you're on the Canva homepage, use the search bar to search up announcement. Then select the blank template. Now I'm going to upload my screenshot from earlier. Then when I'm done adjusting my screenshot, I will click Add a New Page to start my door. The first thing I'm going to do is to add text. Feel free to look at the text combination when using more than one font. Then I'm going to pick a background. You can upload a photo, select a solid color, or use one of Canvas's pictures. For my door, I will be using one of Canvas's pictures. Next, we're going to click on the element button, and I'm going to be looking for flip-flops. If none of the options work for you, you can go on Google and search for an image that you would want to add, and add a PNG to the end. Now that I found the image I like, I will upload it to Canva. Now this is a start to my door, so I'm gonna go and make some changes and clean it up a little bit. Alright, this is my almost done door. I changed the background a little bit. I made my teacher's name pop out by giving it an accent color. I'm also outlining the word flop to give it an extra pop. And then I'm going to add another pair of flip-flops and change the color of it. And then I'm going to add a door handle to just tie it all together. And it looks like I'm about done with my door. Alright, I'm going to share now by clicking the down arrow and selecting PNG. Then I'm going to click download. I'm going to click this up arrow with this box around it. Then you're going to share it with your advisor or whoever is collecting it. And your subjects is going to be your name, doors, and what teachers you have. And then send. That's the end.